Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I just say that I have assigned IP for all these boards, and now it's time to do the configuration. So I want to configure OSPF for this one. This is area of 0, area 10, area 20, area 30, and area 40. Let's begin from router 1. So configuration terminal, router OSPF, and you have the option for process ID. You can choose process ID for OSPF from 1 to 65,535. In Bedouin you can choose any numbers. I want to choose 100 for the process ID. Yes, and now let's assign all the connected networks for this one. First I want to go with this network, which is 810.10.10.8 for network, not for IP. We also need the wildcard mask for this one. Wildcard mask is 0.0.0.3 because it's slash 30, and this is 3. The wildcard mask is 3. Because slash 30 we assigned almost 252, and we minus 255, then it will be, the result will be 3, and that's why the wildcard mask is 3 for this one. The wildcard mask, and then the area, it's in area of 0. We will do the same thing for the other networks as well, and this time this network, which is 10 10 10 0 0 0 0 3 area of 0, and this time this one, this network, which is in network 10.10.10.4 0.0.0.3 for area of 0. The last one is a network, this network 10.10.10.12 0.0.0.3 area of 0. And also we can assign the, we can also assign the loopback network. The loopback was 1.1.1.1. Wildcard mask for this one is 0.0.0.0 4 zeros for area of 0. That's all from this router. Let's go to router number 2. For router number 2, or for these routers, we want to say that this port, the serial port, is for area of 0, and the port gig is for the LAN, or the area of 10. Let's do it together. Router configuration terminal, router OSPF 100 process ID. The same process ID should be network. First I want to say the loopback 2.2.2 0.0.0 for the area of 0. Also network of 10.10.10.0 0 and 3 for area 0. Network of 192.168.10.0 with the outcome of 0.0.0.31 for the area of 10 this time. Yes. And share the protocols. Yes. Let's go for router number 3. Configuring terminal router router OSPF 10 network is, this is router 3, loopback of 333, wildcard mask is 4 zeros, and for the area is 0, also network 10 10 10 for 0 0 0 3 area 0, network of 192 6 and 0 0 31 area of 20. Configure terminal router OSPF 100 network of 4 0 area of 0, network of 10 10 10 8 area of 0, and network of 192.168.12.0.0.0.31 for area of 30. Enable configure terminal router OSPF 100 network router 5. This is 555 0 0 0 0, network of 10.10.10.12. Yes, 0 0 0 3 for the area of 0 216.13.0 0 0.31 for area of 40. Let's ping once from this one. We want to ping the loopback of 1111. It's 100% right. Let's give an IP for this PC from the same range 192.168.11.2. 1 is for this one, for this port, and 2 is, we can say 3, it doesn't matter. 192.168.11.3. 192.168.11.1 is the default. The DNS for this let's try it. 192.168.10.4. 268.10.1 10.1. Let's ping 192.168.11.3. And the IP was wrong. Yes, it's pinging. From this PC, I ping this router number 2. It did. If I ping from this PC, it will ping as well 192.168.11.3. Yes. From anyone from this one, let's ping 3.3.3. 100%. One 192.168.12.3. 192.168.12.1.